Imagine powering your remote cabin or off-grid adventure with an inverter that promises unwavering reliability in the harshest conditions. But is this the game changer you've been waiting for? The Morningstar SureSine Off-Grid Inverter stands out as a powerhouse for converting direct current, DC, from sources like batteries into smooth alternating current, AC, electricity, all while delivering a pure sine wave output. This means it mimics the clean, consistent power from your home's grid, making it ideal for sensitive electronics without the risk of damage from irregular waveforms. For beginners, think of it as a translator that turns the language of battery power into something your appliances can understand seamlessly. What sets this inverter apart is its superior industrial-grade design and manufacturing, built to withstand real-world demands. It's specifically engineered for easy integration and communication with Morningstar's charge controllers, ensuring your entire solar or renewable energy system works in harmony. If you're new to off-grid setups, this integration is like having a team of devices that talk to each other flawlessly, reducing headaches and improving efficiency. Communication is a big win here, with versatile ports including RS-485, USB, Ethernet, MS-CAN, and even Bluetooth, all operating on the industry-standard MODBUS protocol. This allows for robust data exchange and control, which is crucial for monitoring and adjusting your system remotely. Plus, free wireless Android and iOS utility apps make setup and monitoring a breeze. Just download the app on your smartphone, connect via Bluetooth, and you're in control, even from miles away. It's like having a personal energy dashboard in your pocket. On selected models across all power ranges and frequencies, you'll find an AC hardwire terminal option, which simplifies direct wiring for larger installations without relying on plugs. For safety and convenience, a remote on/off feature lets you power the unit up or down from afar, perfect for those hard-to-reach spots or emergency situations. And don't miss the auxiliary power output on models ranging from 700 to 2,500 watts, which can supply juice for things like an EIA 485 bus or small DC loads. Think powering sensors or lights without tapping into your main AC output. But here's where it gets interesting. The SureSine is overbuilt with an industrial-grade low-frequency transformer, specifically designed as a toroidal, donut-shaped, transformer for superior sine wave stability. For those unfamiliar, toroidal transformers are like the heavy-duty engines under the hood, providing smoother power delivery and reducing electrical noise compared to cheaper alternatives. Reliability shines through with fanless convection cooling and extruded aluminum heat sinking, maximizing efficiency and longevity. No noisy fans mean quieter operation and fewer moving parts to fail. As an example, the 300-watt model maintains full power up to 45 degrees Celsius 113 degrees Fahrenheit and still delivers 200 watts even at 60 degrees Celsius 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Impressive for such a compact unit. The smaller 150-watt model? It doesn't derate at all until 60 degrees Celsius, showcasing outstanding thermal performance in their respective power classes. Status LEDs keep you informed, with indicators for both system status and AC sine wave output, alerting you to any issues before they escalate. And this inverter boasts industry-leading safety, low noise, and high-performance certifications from NRTL, nationally recognized testing laboratory, ensuring it meets strict standards for reliability and compliance. Think peace of mind in mission-critical setups. Configuration is flexible too. You can use manual dip switches for basic setups or dive into digitally programmable custom set points for tailored performance. This expanded SureSine line builds on the legacy of the acclaimed SureSine Classic, which was a trailblazer in off-grid inverters. With additions like the wireless apps, Bluetooth connectivity, multiple AC hardwire terminal options on select models, and those top-tier NRTL certifications, it's clear Morningstar is pushing boundaries. The lineup features industrial-grade construction throughout, centered on premium toroidal transformers for that enhanced sine wave stability. Designed for the toughest off-grid, mission-critical installations, whether you're running a remote research station or a sustainable homestead, the SureSine prioritizes durability. Full communications capabilities round out the package, with RS-485, USB, Ethernet, MS-CAN, and Bluetooth, all sticking to the reliable MODBUS protocol for seamless integration. And this is the part most people miss. While fanless cooling sounds great for efficiency, some might argue it's not always the best in extreme heat, potentially leading to thermal shutdowns if not monitored closely. Is this a minor trade-off for the quiet operation, or a potential weakness in superhot climates? What do you think? Does the SureSine justify its premium price for off-grid enthusiasts, or are there more budget-friendly alternatives that deliver similar reliability? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree that toroidal transformers make a real difference, or is Bluetooth overkill for basic setups? We'd love to hear your experiences.